Bagyong Karding, lumakas pa bilang super typhoon ayon sa Pag-asa. Tropical Cyclone Wind Signal number 4 nakataas na sa isla ng Polillo Island. Inaasahang maglalandfall mamayang hapon o gabi sa bahagi ng Aurora at Quezon area. Asahan na magiging masungit na ang panahon sa mga lugar na direktang maapektuhan ng bagyo. Napakalakas pa southern portion of Laguna, southern portion of Nueva Ecija, Bulacan. Signal number 3 lead to 18 hours central area at karatig na lugar na Central Luzon at NCR. Maghanda ang mga lugar na peligro na maaapektuhan ng bagyo. Tropical Cyclone Wind Signal number 4 lead time 12 hours Polillo Island. Tropical Cyclone Wind Signal number 3 lead to 18 hours central and southern portion of Aurora, southern portion of Nueva Ecija, Bulacan. Eastern portion of Pampanga, northern portion of Metro Manila, northern portion of Rizal, northeastern portion of Laguna, northern portion of Quezon, southern portion of Isabela, of Nueva Ecija, rest of Quezon, rest of Camarines Norte, northern portion of Camarines Sur and Catanduanes, Apayao, Abra, Kalinga, Mountain Region, magdulot ng pagguho ng